Hello everyone, this is Lady T with Design to a T. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing floral arrangements, and right now I am showing you a couple of flower arrangements that I love, but they are so expensive and we can't go out to shop for anything, so I decided to make my own. And so today you're going to see how I made my floral arrangements. I actually have about 3 to 4 different DIYs, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. And so we're going to start with my first project, and the first one is going to be an orchid arrangement. I'm going to start with a glass vase. This vase I purchased from Pier 1. I believe it was half price, and it had already been reduced. So again, yes, I spent a lot of time in Pier 1. But anyway, I also have leaves that I'm going to be using to line the outer edges of the vase. So here I'm just cutting off the leaves from the stems, and I'm going to hot glue them together on the sides so that it gives me somewhat of a garland so that I can line the vase. And here we have the leaves glued together so that I can place them inside of the vase. So of course the garland was not long enough, and so I'm just adding additional leaves to complete the circle around the vase. And if you've been following me for a while, you will notice this orchid flower arrangement that I had in my bathroom. I'm going to take that out of the pot, and here it shows you how it looks after I take it out of the pot. And I'm going to add that inside of the vase and arrange it slightly differently. And here's the finished product. I just added a few things in the bottom to make the arrangement full and complete. All flowers were purchased from Michael's. And for my second project, I have a Eucalyptus Wreath, and I'm going to fill that with a little bit of the yellow blooms that I've already had. I purchased them a while back from Michael's. I usually save the stem, and I use the blooms in the stem at a later time for another project. So what I'm going to do is hot glue the blooms onto the eucalyptus wreath, and I'm going to make a big bow with a flower in the center, and that will be the project so far. And here you see me pulling a yellow flower apart from the stem, but I wound up using a white flower instead. And here is the final project so far. Just your simple wreath added with some color and a bow. So I decided to add just a little bit more to give it a fuller look. I had a few stems that I had left over, and I'm going to add those onto the wreath, and you will see the final project in a minute. My third project is just a vase that I spray painted champagne color. I did not like it, and so I changed it over to a silver color, and I added some yellow beads and the yellow stems to complete the look. This centerpiece was from my yellow tablescape. I will put the iCard up so that you can see that. And this was the centerpiece that I made to complete the look for my tablescape. And my final project will be with this silver rectangle vase. I will be changing the flowers from a white arrangement to a yellow and white arrangement. And here we have the final project for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I thank you all those that have been supporting me for stopping by and watching all of my videos. If you happen to be new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you would like to see more videos from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will get a notice of all of my videos that will be coming up. Thank you so much once again.